Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu bi kalimatillahi ta'amat min sharri ma halak. Welcome to today's video. I hope each and everyone is doing wonderfully well. Today's video we are making some bean stew. Yes, today when I woke up in the morning, what I wanted for breakfast was this bean stew with some plantains and rice. Yes. No, I don't know what was happening, but this is what I wanted to eat. And luckily for me, I have some palm oil from the palm soup I prepared the other day, and I'm like, perfect. This palm oil has the right flavor to it, the right taste, and oh my goodness, this bean stew was so good. Like with just some few ingredients that we added to it, and yeah. One tip I can give is anytime you prepare some palm nut soup, if only you have enough oil, you can just scoop it out, and it's one of the best zumi you can get. So I added some onion in my pan, then let it fry for a little bit whilst I start with my plantain. Yeah. So my toddler likes plantain very much. It's one of her favorites. So yeah, and I already boiled the beans before starting with the stew. And yeah, after the onion fry for a little bit, I added some onion, ginger, garlic, some anise paste to fry a little bit before I continue with the cooking process. Whilst it was frying, I went ahead to chop my tomatoes, and the tomatoes is from my garden, by the way, which I'm very proud of myself. Yeah. So this food is one of the street food in Ghana, and you can get it at any time that you feel like you want to eat it, but unfortunately we don't have it here, so I decided to prepare it myself. After adding the tomatoes, I went ahead to check on the plantain, and it looks good. Yeah, I was actually cooking with my toddler. Yes, she's just behind the camera, but she's my number one helper whenever I'm cooking. So you can sometimes hear her at the background, and yeah, I went ahead to add some mackerel to the sauce, and added some black pepper, some onion and garlic powder with some all-purpose seasoning, and yeah, I didn't have to add much seasoning because the oil is already infused with those goodness from the palm soup. So it just took these beans to the next level, which I really enjoyed. Like it was so flavorful and so delicious. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Please try and let me know how you like it. And also, if you've been watching me till now, why don't you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please share and then like my videos. Yeah. I have a video on the step by step on how I cook my beans, which I'm gonna leave it down below if you wanna check that out, and I'm gonna link the palm soup I made as well. And yeah, I went ahead to add some chili flakes because I wanted a little bit of cake to it. Then I added my beans to it. Yeah. So if you want to check on the other beans, how I cook the beans, I have it too. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So at this point, it's all done, and we are about to assemble my plate. And of course, I have to get some kenzo. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, and I've been busy lately, that's why I haven't been posting. But yeah, thanks so much for checking up on me. I really do appreciate you guys. Before my next one, please subscribe and share to your loved ones. Comment down below and let me know how you like it, and try my recipes. Yeah, this was so delicious and I really enjoyed it. Bye.